guys, Lacey Elizabeth here, and today Rihanna dropped brand new product, and you know what? I've got it right here. This is the Toasted Swirl Bronze Shimmering Powder, and of course, like always, I'm going to try it on, test it out, and I'm going to let you guys know if you guys should run out and buy this. Alright guys, let's get into it. Okay, so I like how it's nice and protected. I think that's great. Okay, that is gorgeous. She knocked that out of the park. That's just stunning. I love that. And I love the size of this. Hang on a second. Let me grab something. Okay, so this is the brand new Charlotte Tilbury Cream Bronzer. They're about the same size in comparison. And then this one is my Ride or Die Scott Barnes Bronzer Powder. I love this one. This is, I believe, Bondi Beach. Yes, this is one of my favorite powders. I love that she came out with this size of a bronzing powder because the Makeup by Mario drop was tiny, and I'm going to show you guys. Now don't get me wrong, I do love Mario's brand new bronzing product here. I love that there's 3 shades, but I seriously wish the size of it was bigger because it's very hard to get your brush in there to kind of go into the bronzer. You have this golden shimmer right here and then the highlight as well, so I just wish it was maybe 3 products or just a really big pan, but this one is super great as well. If you haven't seen my video on this one, definitely check that out. But this I love. I absolutely think the packaging is stunning. Oh, there's a beautiful mirror on that. So this is $54 Canadian. This is the shade Chocolate. There's another shade called Pecan as well, but that one is a little bit too deep for me. But I picked up this one. I think this is gorgeous. Like, this is very shimmery. I'm just gonna swirl my finger into this. Oh, that's stunning. Okay, that looks like the prettiest color. And it's not as shimmery as I thought it was going to be. That is just really pretty, and it seems to blend out very well. Alright, I'm excited to try this on. Now, if you do not like a lot of shimmer in your product, I do not think that you're going to love this because it is slightly a little bit more shimmery. I would definitely recommend probably something like the Makeup by Mario where it's a powder, but it's, you know, you can get a little shimmer, but you can at least graduate the two of them. But this is mixed. It's very mixed, and we're just going to try this out. So today from my brush, I'm using the IT Cosmetics, and this is the Wand Ball Powder Brush. This is a number 8. And I'm just going to swirl that right in there, pick up some of that product. We're just going to tap that off. So I'm just going to go ahead in where we would normally bronze our face for the summer. I'm going to start with my forehead. I'm just going to do one side so we could see the difference. It's very buildable. It's very light. I actually thought it would apply just a little bit deeper. And I thought it would be a little bit shimmery-er, but this is really... I'm actually kind of shocked. This is really nice. It doesn't drag. It's applying beautifully. It's giving you just the right amount of glow. It's not intense. It's not as shimmery as I thought it was going to be when I swatched it on the back of my hand. Definitely, I would not bring it down past this line because you're going to add too much shimmer to your forehead. But I'm going to pick up a little bit more. I'm just going to see how that builds. Oh, okay. That's actually quite lovely. Now what I would do, like, that's actually giving me quite a nice, difference. I can see it in the monitor, but this is, I'm actually really shocked. This is really nice. Now, if you wanted to go in with your standard, matte bronzer and bronze your face that way and use this as a topper, you could totally do that as well, and it wouldn't be as glowy. But as it stands, this is, I'm shocked. Like, this is beautiful. Like, wow. Quick tip, if you guys are going to use this, I would suggest not to tap it off because I actually got a better application the second time. Yeah, definitely I wouldn't tap it off. You get a very nice coverage when you don't tap off the brush. I am going to be real with you guys, and when you don't tap it off and you are using it, it does kind of give a lot of fall, and I've got kind of bronzer all over my work area right here. Just to be mindful of that, if you are wearing a white outfit, put on the outfit after you put on the bronzer. Just letting you guys know. And this is also meant for your body, so we're going to try that out in a second. Just going to pick up a little bit more. I'm going to apply this right here to my décolleté because I want to see how that bronzes that up. Okay, you get a nice coverage. Wow, I am impressed. Like, this is really, really pretty. That actually bronzes up your body so beautifully. I'm impressed. Like, wow, who needs self-tanner? Just add a little bit of powder. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm just gonna go in and just like keep applying here. That's stunning, absolutely stunning. You guys know what time it is, but before I give you guys the score, I have a question for you. So you guys know I review all these amazing beauty products. Every time they drop, I review them for you guys, and I love doing that for you guys. But do you guys want to see some summer eyeshadow tutorials? Let me know in the comments down below. I love hearing from you guys, and I love writing to you guys. Alright guys, you guys know what time it is. It is time to give this product a score. Starting with application. Alright, this applied so beautifully. I didn't even have to go in with my Artiste brush. And you guys have been asking me in a couple of the videos what brush this is. This is the large palm brush by Artiste. I love these. Like, there's a small one and a large one. I don't reach for the small one often. I think I do have 4 of them, and I honestly think I have 7 of these. I love this brush, and I usually will go in, especially with bronzer, powder, or cream, and I will go in and just kind of like, you know, just marry the two products together. This one is so good for blending stuff out. But with this product, did I use this? No. This product is amazing. I'm gonna have to give it a 10 out of 10. Up next, Pigment. Alright, so there are 2 shades in the collection. I think both of them are stunning. Obviously, this is the lightest one, the chocolate one. I love it. I'm gonna have to give it a 10 out of 10. And finally, value. Alright, this is $54 Canadian. The only thing I can compare this to is literally that brand new Makeup by Mario, because you do have the shimmer built into the bronzer, and that one's $44 Canadian. Now, this one is 12 grams. The Makeup by Mario is 8 grams. You do get a lot more product in this one. I actually almost prefer this one over the Makeup by Mario. I love them both. And you can go in and kind of highlight, you know, specifically with the Makeup by Mario. But this one, I love this. Like, this is fantastic. So I'm gonna have to give this one a 10 out of 10, bringing us to a final score of 30 out of 30. Now, should you buy it, wishlist it, or avoid it, definitely run out and pick this up. This is limited edition for the summer. Definitely pick this up. This is gorgeous, like stunning. Like, you're gonna look glowy, bronzed, angelic, and just, you know, live your best life. Yes. Alright, if you guys love videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and of course subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss when I drop a new video. Alright guys, until next time, mwah, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys.